Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to download Battle.net application on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iOS. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your mobile device. In the search box, type in Battle.net. Look for the Battle.net application from Blizzard Entertainment Inc. and then tap on the Install or the Get button. On your iOS, authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password to initiate the download process. Wait for the couple of minutes and then you will be able to download the app right away. Once the app is downloaded, tap on Open. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed Battle.net application. You can now go ahead and create a new account or log into your existing account and explore games, manage updates, and stay connected with your Blizzard titles. That's how you download Battle.net on your mobile, whether you are tracking game updates or chatting with friends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.